Today I'm making Eclair Dessert. Continuing with the holiday recipes, this Eclair Dessert is a staple at Christmas for us. Super easy to put together, and the taste is incredible. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button, or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. To start off, you're going to need 3 cups of milk, a 15-ounce box of graham crackers, 5 ounces of vanilla instant pudding mix, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Start by pouring your cow juice into a large bowl, and add in the instant goo mix. Hey, got it open on the first try this time. So add in the whole package of powdered goop, and whisk it together for 2 minutes till nice and thick. Now we're going to add in the whipped cream imposter. It's okay, buddy, I still like you. And gently fold it into the pudding mix till smooth and evenly mixed. We're beginning our assembly with a layer of graham crackers in a 9x13 dish, breaking crackers if necessary to fill in any gaps. Yeah, that'll work. It's not gonna matter. Now add in half or so of the imposter cream and smooth it out. Next, add another layer of crackers. I have a bit of a gap on the bottom there that I could have totally filled in. There should be enough crackers in the box for you to fill that in. Add the remaining goo, spread it out, top with the rest of the graham crackers, and set aside while we work on the frosting. You'll need 5 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, and 2 ounces of unsweetened chocolate. Add the chocolate to a bowl and microwave it in 30-second increments till smooth and liquid. Now add in the butter and vanilla, and mix till the butter melts completely into the chocolate. As tempting as it looks, do not lick the spoon. I repeat, do not lick the spoon. It's bitter as f***. Let's fix that. Add some of the powdered cavity accelerant and milk, and whisk in. Keep going, adding a little at a time until everything is mixed in and smooth. Look at that. Beautiful. While it's still warm and fluid, pour the sweet bean liquid all over the graham crackers and smooth it out, covering the entire top before sticking it in the fridge to chill. I like to give it at least a few hours for the crackers to soak up some of the moisture and soften before digging in. But that's it. This Eclair dessert is done. What you're left with here is a fantastically refreshing dessert for your Christmas dinner or whenever. This comes together so quickly, you can probably get it put together in under 10 minutes. It looks really nice with the alternating layers of graham crackers and pudding, topped with a rich blanket of chocolate. It's both decadent and light. The sweet, rich chocolate is mellowed out by the light and creamy pudding. It's so good. Chilling this in the fridge allows the chocolate to harden a little and the graham crackers to moisten, bringing a nice mix of textures that are neither too crunchy nor too mushy, but just right. With simple ingredients and a short prep time, this is the perfect dessert. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Post a picture on Instagram and tag me at Maikoh with 4 H's. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch another one, you can click the card over on the right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you around, and I hope to see you all next Thursday.